Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about XRP. XRP lawsuit. Ripple execs should thank SEC for suing them individually. It seems the SEC is throwing this DPP Hail Mary and hoping that Judge Torres bails them out on appeal. Hasn't that been the case lately? Nonetheless, Ripple Labs and its execs are continuing to clamp down on a potential win against the regulatory watchdogs. On 11 February, Ripple Labs filed a letter motion to compel the SEC to turn over notes. These notes pertain to 2018 meeting between Brad Garlinghouse and former Commissioner Elliot L. Roisman. As expected, however, the plaintiffs refused. And in doing so, the SEC claimed they were privileged. Everything has an expiry date. That wasn't the end of it though. The SEC called privilege, but the defendants think otherwise as reportedly, under the court's 13 January 2022 ruling, the Xrp notes aren't privileged and should be disclosed. In fact, the SEC's opposition was spent trying to equate the Xrp notes with those taken during a 2019 meeting, one that involved a third party. To many, the SEC seemed to ignore the core reason cited by the exec. According to the doc in question, Garlinghouse seeks disclosure of the Xrp notes since the SEC called privilege, but the defendants think otherwise as reportedly, under the court's 13 January 2022 ruling, the Xrp notes aren't privileged and should be disclosed. In fact, the SEC's opposition was spent trying to equate the Xrp notes with those taken during a 2019 meeting, one that involved a third party. To many, the SEC seemed to ignore the core reason cited by the exec. According to the doc in question, Garlinghouse seeks disclosure of the Xrp notes since they are likely to corroborate his account of a discussion that he had with the commissioner of the SEC regarding the regulation of digital assets, an issue that goes to the core of the SEC's knowledge or recklessness allegations against him. The SEC's argument is that it has no proof for disclosure of the Xrp notes. In fact, it stated that this would invade the Commission's policy-making process, adding that the purpose of the notes was to allow Mr. Xrp to provide advice to Commissioner Roisman on a potential future proposal by the Commission of a rule regarding the regulation of digital asset offerings. The exec believes that the SEC's attempt to defend its sword and shield tactics is unconvincing. Furthermore, Garlinghouse requested the judge to deny the watchdogs from engaging in such tactics. If the judge grants this motion in favor of the defendant, this would hint at a possible win for Ripple. John Deaton, founder of Crypto Law, shared the same optimism as many. Curiously, according to John Deaton, Ripple should thank Jay Clayton for suing them and creating a higher burden of proof on the SEC. By suing them individually, the SEC made these notes much more relevant and quite possibly necessary. Okay, go next news. Whatever judge rules, SEC is already dead. Lawyer predicts Ripple lawsuit outcome. Ripple vs SEC lawsuit is in the spotlight of all cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Everyone is eagerly watching every move in the court and is waiting for the final verdict. Attorney Jeremy Hogan has dropped some quick updates regarding the case and its possible outcome. Settlement discussion in Ripple vs SEC. Attorney Hogan has revealed that a 1-hour settlement discussion in the case happened a couple of months ago. Yes, a 1-hour settlement discussion happened a couple of months ago. It didn't settle, which means that the next most likely settlement time would be at mediation, see arrow below, which will be hosted by the one and only Judge Netburn, who has seen all the documents in camera. Pic.Twitter. Commuter Taldif Jeremy Hogan, at ATTORNEYJEREMY1, March 1, 2022, a Twitter user asked attorney could Judge Netburn recommend the SEC to settle with Ripple, as she has seen all the ETH and XRP documents. To this, Jeremy Hogan replied that Judge Netburn has seen all the documents on camera. If he's correct, then SEC is in the problem here, which could make a big difference. SEC has been filing contradicting objections and motions in the court. From Hinman's infamous speech to Estabrook notes, the Commission has been giving different assumptions each time they have filed a reconsideration motion. Earlier, SEC considered Hinman's speech as public guidance. Later they filed a motion to reconsider it as his personal views. Recently, Ripple CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, launched a motion against SEC's opposition to disclose Estabrook notes in court. However, it is being reported that the Commission has been using its delay tactics to slow down the proceedings. Attorney Hogan also suggested some outcomes regarding the latest development in the lawsuit. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, Crypto Ground, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, Crypto Ground analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from Crypto Ground is still optimistic. Despite a slight decline at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is expected to reach $2.37 by 2024. The penultimate forecast from the Coin Price Forecast platform expects Ripple to start 2023 at $2.30, then soar to $2.82 during the first 6 months, and end 2023 at $3.33. Last but not least, economy forecast agency experts are bearish on Ripple in 2023. In January, the price of the coin will be set at $1.75. The general downward trend will lead to the fact that by the end of the year, the coin rate will reach $1.23.